Amanda Haines, your Orlando realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Whether you're buying or selling, give me a call to get the best deal for your home. Hi everyone, my name is Amanda Haines. I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers on the Mellow Group. Today I'm in Sanford. This model is a 5-bed, 3-bath. It's 2 stories. Phase 1 has sold out here in Sanford, but we have Phase 2 and Phase 3 with homes available. So let's go inside and have a look. This 2-story home gives you over 2,400 square feet of living space. As you come down the foyer, you'll see it opens up to your dining room, living room, and kitchen. Right off your kitchen, you have your 2-car garage. You have 36-inch upper cabinets, laminate countertops, and stainless steel appliances, including your range, refrigerator, and your dishwasher. There's a nice big pantry in your kitchen, and then this all opens up to your living space. Across the way, you can see some of the amenities included in the HOA. It's only $59 a month. You have a community pool and a playground. Lot premiums can range anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000. All of the bedrooms have carpet. This is your first bedroom on the first floor. Over here you have a full-size bathroom with ceramic tile flooring and a walk-in shower. And we'll head up to the second floor so you can see the remaining bedrooms. There's a nice loft area at the top of the stairs. In this floor plan you have a couple different elevations to choose from, and the base price is $311,990. All of your homes in this community are connected to smart home technology. You have 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. We come into the master bedroom. You have a nice big walk-in closet with a window. The master bathroom has ceramic tile, double vanity, and a walk-in shower. This community is located in Sanford, giving you easy access to I-4 and 417. Nearby you have downtown Sanford and Lake Mary, giving you many dining options to choose from. And the laundry room is located on the second floor. And down the hall you have your remaining 3 bedrooms and a full-size bathroom. My name is Amanda Haines. I would love to show you around Sanford, help you find a home for you and your family. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos like these, and feel free to give me a call. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.